Welcome back, guys. We're going to do a ceiling fan and light display. Got all the ceiling fans spinning. So anyways, this is one of Philips bulbs in. These are EOLs. I am going to do a video on them at some stage. Over here we have Philips daylight. It's in here. Over there are some Philips cool whites. These are Philips Altos bulbs. Here's an Osram T12. Got the ceiling fans in the way. Let's stop the fans so we can see that light. Here's the Eco bulb. Bring that back up. Now I'm back after I just spun them all up. We have this 3 bulb fixture with T8 Philips Altos bulb in it. We have another Osram one. It's Osram light with Philips Altos bulbs. Have all these bulbs here. I'm not going to tell you every one of these bulbs. Still just take forever. I have some ballasts here. Got some fan stuff on the wall as well. Some tombstones. We have another Philips Altos bulb in this fixture. This is 1940s, as well as those 2 front ones there, and the green one behind there. It's a bunch of more Philips Altos bulbs. It's a shorty. There's a Philips shorty. These are a bunch of Philips Altos. This is a cool white. I don't want to drop it. There's something rattling on the inside. Probably because it's been sitting for ages. And here's a SMC hugger. Then over here we have an SMC polished brass. With Jeep on the blades. And then we have this industrial SMC. This is an unknown. There's a Hubble breezeway. We have this Casablanca. Just spin it up real fast for you. Now I'm going to slow these down because I'm going to close up the shed. Start at the back and turn out these lights. Always do this one first because it's more trickier to get to. Make sure the light in here is off. This is a LED color changing bulb, which is on the inside of the piano. It's used for when I do lighting piano videos. And turn out these lights. Out here is, I don't even know what type of bulbs these are, but these are PL bulbs. With my charger in here. Here we have another Philips Altos cool white. Let's turn it on. Wrong switch. There's only one bulb in one of these lights. The other one has got a bad ballast. Here we have the G LED. Let's pause the video and go inside. Then we have this, I forgot the name of it. Let's turn it on. I'm only going to turn it on to medium because it's quite cold. I'm not going to let it go all the way up because it's too cold. Then we have this Living & Co. black pedestal fan, clear blades, and down here there we have another Living & Co. fan. I can't turn those on. They're stored for the winter. There's a rebuild fan, and there's all the clips for the fluorescent light that's in the shed. And over here we have a PL lamp. I have a video on this light where the bulb one of the bulbs burnt out. Just took my shoes off. Then we have this silver fan here. It's a USB fan. Only one speed. And thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.